Today I will show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. This is a much better way than Rotor Brush. So what we're gonna do now is select your clip. I have mine here of the Joker. Duplicate it, and on the first clip put Mocha Pro. If you don't have it, check the link down below. Click on Mocha. Make sure that you're at the start of your clip, and then select the arrow. Make sure you have the whole character. Then click on the black arrow. You see it's selected. Then make sure generate object is activated and let it render. Now that it's rendered, just save, close it, and there you have it. And now click on matte, apply matte, quality high, and feather on 7. And that's it. Now if you do this, you can see you have your character cut out. What you also can do is invert it. If you invert it, if you want to cut out the character, you can do it also. And that's it. If you have more questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to help however I can. See you in the next one.